How to use Asana to streamline your team projects. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Asana to streamline your team projects and boost productivity. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Asana is built around breaking big projects into smaller, manageable tasks. You start by setting up a project space for each major goal or initiative your team is working on. Within each project, you assign tasks, set deadlines, and define who's responsible. One of the most powerful features is the ability to organize tasks using different views, like list, board, timeline, or calendar, depending on how your team likes to work. For example, the timeline view helps you visualize how tasks overlap, while the board view is great for moving items through stages like to do, in progress, and done. Asana also allows you to create dependencies, which means one task can't start until another is complete. This helps prevent bottlenecks and keeps your team on the same page. And if your team has recurring workflows, you can build templates to save time and maintain consistency across projects. That's all for the video. With the right setup, Asana can transform the way your team collaborates, keeping everything clear, organized, and moving forward.